Welcome back to the vlog. It's Vlogmas day 21 today. And we're gonna go and get my stitches removed. Woo woo! Alright, we're doing a little stop motion shoot today, and Clay is actually gonna be doing the hands for once and not me.
So one of our first shots, we'll tie into these next ones here.
Oh my gosh, you guys, I have just neglected you today. I honestly haven't done that much. I did have another appointment, but I was just so tired all day. I didn't get enough sleep last night and I was up earlier than usual, so I was just tired. And honestly, I've noticed since like around the 18th of Vlogmas, I've kind of taken a dive a little bit where like it's easier every other day for me to be like, whoa, let's do something. And the other day I'm like, I'm tired, y'all. This Vlogmas every day for 25 days in a row is like a lot. Actually, I thought I wasn't gonna finish this vlog today at all, but I'm like, you know what, I started it and I'm gonna make something real good for dinner tonight. So I'll show you guys what I'm gonna make for dinner. And also I'll show you my stitches. It was so fast. They literally looked like tweezers that she had, and she just like pulled it by the knot and just like. I have showered and lotioned a little bit. She said you could lotion or vitamin E to help with like itching and stuff. So I'm gonna treat it like a tattoo and just trying to like moisturize the F out of it, and hopefully the scar will heal like really nice. So yeah, super excited. And now let's get to dinner. All right, so all the time with recipes, I will take the recipe and I will just conform it into the way that I like doing things in cooking and baking. So that's what I'm doing with this recipe. So to start off my recipe today, we are sauteing our onions in some olive oil. And then I'm gonna add in my carrots and celery. And I hate when recipes say that it will take like look, these saute for 5 minutes and they'll be soft. These will not be soft. Carrots and or celery will not be soft in 5 minutes. And I like mine, especially when it needs to be soft at the very end, I like them soft. I will cook these for like 10 to 15 minutes until they're actually soft. Some salt, pepper. We got our fries. It's been, oh yeah, sorry. Okay, it's been 10 minutes. Let me test a carrot's hardness. I mean, okay. Not that soft, so I might leave it for another minute. This is the weirdest fucking coleslaw I have ever made. Wish me luck. Sauce. Already we've been letting it simmer and thicken up, and it is looking amazing. Can you guess what we're having? Any guesses? Any guesses? Alright, if you guessed Sloppy Joe Poutine, you would have been correct. Can't forget the diet cheese, and one more thing. Okay, that is my meal. I forgot to taste test it. I was so excited and I was just like, oh my god, this is gonna be so good. Holy, like I feel like a genius, except it was Clay's idea actually. he said Sloppy Joe's on fries, and I was like, okay, yeah, sure, let's do it, whatever. I mean, I was down either way, bun or fries, but that was like unbelievably good. Like both of us were like, holy fuck, the world needs to know about this. It's so good. Slaw poutine, bruh. Slaw poutine. So good. And I ended up just making actually a regular coleslaw because I'm not gonna try that other shit. Clay tried some of it and it was hot still. And If anyone knows what the hell that kind of coleslaw is, let me know. But he's just like, it was just like pure red wine vinegar. Like,
I was coughing.
Yeah, he was coughing. Like, I was gonna taste test it for you, but I'm so damn full. Like I gave myself too much, y'all. I couldn't even finish it. So I'm gonna puke, I think, if I taste test that and it's just not good. I think I will just vomit. Not good. So that is our recipe for today, and I hope you enjoyed. That will be it for the vlog today. Hopefully it's 11 o'clock, so I don't know if I can get this up today, but whatever. That's it for this vlog. I will see you tomorrow in the next one.